guys, how are you all today? Here I come up with a few health hacks that will keep away the dry cough and sore throat. These hacks are from my own Dadi's kitchen and very close to my heart. Tulsi is something that we all come across on a daily basis. This particular herb is considered to be holy and very helpful. Let's get the maximum out of it. If you are suffering from dry cough, all you need to do is take 10 tulsi leaves, put it in some boiling water. Add 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey. Strain this concoction and have 1 teaspoon every 2 hours. It will give you a lot of relief from dry cough. Take 10 tulsi leaves along with 2 to 3 peppercorns. Chew this and do not drink water or eat anything for the next 1 hour. Do this just twice a day. I hope my tips are helping you all. Please share and like our videos and recommend them to others. Thank you. Have a great day.